Hi everyone, I am Maruti. I am going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. What is a Rubik's Cube? A Rubik's Cube is more like a puzzle. I like to solve these puzzles because it is very challenging and it keeps my competitive spirit up. Today, I am going to teach you how to solve one basic cube, that is pyramids. This is the cube I am going to teach today. Let me scramble the cube and start teaching. Here you can see I have scrambled the cube. Before we solve the cube, let me tell you something. You can see the sharp sharp pieces and in all the three sides. I call these sharp pieces as corners. They are in the corner. I call it as corners. The first step is to match the corners. That is, you can see in a face we have three corner pieces. We have to bring all the corner pieces of same color. You can see, let me start with this orange corner. I have one orange corner. Now I have to bring two more orange corners here. Here you can see here is one orange corner and here is one orange corner. When I just twist it, I have two orange corners here. And the third one, when I twist it here, I have other orange corner. So I got three orange corners in this space. And then moving to the side, you can see we already got two yellow and I have to make this yellow. For that I have to just tilt it, rotate the piece and get the yellow. So now you can see for all the faces I have blue, I have orange, yellow and at the bottom green. This is our first step to match all the corner pieces. After the corner piece is done, we have to match this diamond. You can see with this green corner we got one more triangle which makes a diamond. In the same way we have two diamonds here. I have to bring one more diamond here. You can see the green. I have to find the green piece. You see, here is the green piece. So what I do is, this is the green face. How do we say that it's a green face? Because all the three corners were matched with green. Therefore, this is the green face. So here I have to bring a green. So what I do is, you can see the green is here. I just rotate the corner, match it with the green, and I bring it along with that and bring it to the green face. Now I have three diamonds done here. The green is done. And then let's move on to next face. Orange. In orange also you can see we already have two diamonds. I have to bring one more diamond. So it must be around somewhere near here. You can see this is the orange. And the orange piece required will be around this piece. Yeah, here it is. So, here is our orange corner. What I do is, rotate it, match it with this orange and take it back along with this to our orange face. So, I got the orange done. So, we finished green, we finished orange, yellow is automatically done and blue also. So, in all the sides, you can see we got these three diamonds in all the phases. So after this, our next step is to solve the rest of the colors. For this, if we are going to solve this yellow phase, that is half the yellow phase is done, we have to solve the rest of the pieces. For that, I am keeping my yellow at the bottom. The color which is to be solved has to be placed in the bottom. And then in the top, we have to look for our yellow pieces. Here you can see I got one yellow piece. We have to see what is the color that remains behind this yellow piece. So here is a yellow piece. Behind that, I have a green piece. Then what I have to do is, it's a very simple step. Since the green is with yellow, we have to take this green to the green face. You can see I have taken it to the green face, which means you can see these three green pieces. And then you have to lift this opposite and then match the yellow with the yellow, and then you have to take it down. That's it. Let me show it with the other color. Look for one more yellow piece. Here we have another yellow piece. Now you have to look behind this yellow piece. What is the color here? It is blue. Behind the yellow we have blue, which means we have to take this to blue face. Are we in the blue face? No. Turn it. Are we in the blue face? Yeah. So match it with blue. Wherever this piece matches, you have to take the opposite to the up. Take it up, match it with yellow and take it back down. So what we do is take it up, match it with yellow and take it down. Where is our one more yellow piece? It is right here. See, it is stuck in the place, but it was flipped. It was in its right place, but the piece is flipped. So I have to take this piece out. For that also again, I take this up, rotate it and take it down. Now our required yellow piece is up. Here you can see the yellow piece. Yeah, here is our yellow piece. So behind the yellow piece, what's the color? It's orange and it is already matched with orange. So now take the opposite part to the up, match the yellow with yellow and take it down. And here you can see our yellow face is done. And then let's start solving some other color. Here, let's go with orange. Let's go with orange. So as I'm going to solve the orange, let me keep the orange at the bottom. Okay. So my orange piece is here, but it was flipped. It's in the correct place, but the piece is flipped. So what I have to do is take the piece out. For that, I have to take it up, move it aside and replace the piece. Here you can see the orange is up and along with what is behind the orange, it's green, which means I have to take it to the green face. I matched it with green. Now lift the opposite part, match it with orange, take it down. So you can see my orange face is done. What else is remaining? We have our blue. So now let's keep the blue down and look for the blue piece. You can see here is the blue piece and behind blue we have green. So the green is already matched with green. So take it up, match it, put it down. One more blue is here. Blue and behind blue we have yellow, which means we have to take it to yellow face. I have matched with yellow. Now lift it up, push it, match it with blue and take it down. So you can see our blue face is done. And then let's do the yellow. Here is our yellow. Put the yellow down. Look for the yellow piece. Behind yellow we have orange. So take it to match it with orange. Take the opposite part up. Match it. Take it down. Where is the one more yellow piece? Here it is. Behind the yellow we have green. It's already matched with green. So lift it up, match it and take it down. So just a flip, our cube is done. This is very easy cube. You need not use any formula. It is just take it up, push it in and take it back down. You will get your cube solved. The only thing you do is the face you need to solve must be placed on the bottom and look for the rest of the pieces and match it. That's. Hope you understood how to solve this Pyraminx cube. Next week, let's meet up with other cube. Bye.